Hello, dear friends. Today I made a project. I make this by myself, and I named it the Smoke Control Eye. Have made this for soldering tool. As you know, soldering releases so much smoke, it always get into my nose and eyes. So let me tell you about its parts. It has a platform, a fan, and 4 plugs. It had a attached input plug. You can hold your circuits. With this plugs now attach output, you can use battery or direct electricity. In my next video, I will show you how it works. This is only an introduction to this. I hope you gonna love this. If you want video on it, please comment and like. I will upload it soon. Thank you. Bye.